Guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made this bridal hair bun filling. So if you want to know how I made it, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I'm using a crochet series to fill my bun and use colored attachment. I normally use a black colored attachment, but since I don't have a black, you can also use a colored attachment and you just put it underneath the crochet series so that it can cover up since we're using a black weave to do the hair bun. So I'm just molding it to get the shape before I use putting it inside my net. You have to make sure the colored attachment is covered properly so it doesn't show when you do your bun. So the net I'm using, I got on AliExpress. So this is how I try to get the form. You have to get someone to help you because it's quite difficult doing it yourself. So I'm just trying to mold it and roll it to fill in the net. As you can see, if your net is torn, you have to double it so you can get the perfect bun shape you want. As you can see, I'm trying to mold it, but I'm also going to go ahead and use an extra net so that I can get the exact shape I want. This shape is actually okay, but I'm not okay with it, so I'm rolling it again using another net. And this is basically how I do my bun for my bridal hairstyling. You can use a used attachment if you don't have a crochet series, but I feel crochet series is fuller than attachment, so that's why I prefer using a crochet series. So this is how the bun is. I made two so you guys can see. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.